The reason I made my previous video about shooting sheet film with my RB67 is I'm running out of time. What I mean by running out of time is my plan is to sell all of my RB67 gear. I've gotten a little weary about carrying all of this gear around with me in these two cases where I want to shoot. Yeah, sometimes I strip it down and just use one lens. I've got a 90mm KL lens. I've got a 127mm KL lens, and I have the 140 macro KL lens as well. But it becomes burdensome. It's not a go-anywhere camera. So I made the decision to sell off my Mamiya C330 Professional F, my Mamiya 645 1000S, my RB67 ProSD, and I have switched over to this little camera. It is a Fujica G690 BLP. Come on, get out of there. It is a medium format camera, and it shoots a 6:9 negative. I get 8 shots per roll. I don't really care about that, but that is a lot easier to carry around than all of this gear. I absolutely love this camera. I can sling it over my shoulder, carry it on my back, and that I can't. This I can walk around easily with it, and I love it so much. I've purchased 2 of them. I can keep color film in one and black and white in the other, or different speeds of black and white film or color film. And I can carry 2 of them easily on my body. So that's the reason I put together the film about shooting, the video about shooting sheet film with my RB67. I wanted to do it before I sold all of this stuff. It's been on my project list here now for a while, and I just wanted to get that done. So anyway, thank you very much for watching.